that led us to our true destination, and to celebrate with Elizabeth and Icon on their arrival in love and respect at this altar today. We are here to celebrate the marriage of Icon and Elizabeth, to honor their beginning of their new life. We are here to listen, to love, to dance, and to celebrate, and to send them into their future with an outrageous, loving support. So sit back down, open your heart, and let the wedding begin. I would like to ask of everyone to bow their heads as I say a blessing over their certificate today. Marriage is a very special gift. The sheltered environment in which we can explore ourselves in the presence of one another, in which we can honor and be confident of the pleasure of one another. May the gift that I know and this have always influence our behavior towards their own success. And the tradition that has made thanks to their marriage, and they always say to one another, to love Today you are making public before family and friends the words, I love you, are a full image of yourselves to one another. Understanding that marriage is the covenants of an individual and joint destinies as well as the great security of each other. Icon, you choose to marry Elizabeth and have her as your wife. Elizabeth, you choose to marry Icon and have him as your husband. I choose you to be my wife from this day forward.
From this day forward,
To love you and be faithful to you.
to love you and be faithful to you,
To be a comfort in your life.
to be a comfort in your life,
To nourish you with my gentleness.
to nourish with my gentleman,
And uphold you with my strength.
and I'll uphold you with my strength,
To love your body as it ages.
to love you, the body with ages,
To weigh the effects
to raise the fact
of the words I speak
of the words I speak,
and of the things I do.
of the things I do,
To never take you for granted.
to never take you for granted,
To always give thanks
always give thanks
for your presence.
for the present.
I promise you this
I promise you this
from my heart
from my heart,
for all the days of my life.
for all the days of my life.
Elizabeth, I choose you, Icon.
I choose you, Icon,
To be my husband.
to be my husband
From this day forward.
from this day forward,
To love you.
to love you,
To be faithful to you.
to be faithful to you,
To comfort you in our life.
to comfort you in our life,
To nourish you with my gifts.
to nourish you with my gifts,
To uphold you with my strength.
to uphold you with my strength,
To love your body as it ages.
to love your body as it ages,
And to weigh the effects
to raise your health,
of the words I speak.
the words I speak,
And of the things I do.
of the things I do,
To never take you for granted.
to never take you for granted,
But to always give thanks
but to always give thanks
for your presence.
for your presence.
I promise always
I promise always,
from my heart
from my heart,
for all the days of our lives.
from all the days of our life.
Rings are made precious by our Creator, which is made that the way of our They say that you have chosen to share your life together, to allow the presence of another to enhance who you are. As you wear them through time, they will reflect not only who you are, but what you will create together for a lifetime. Rings, please.
constant reminder
that I choose you
that I choose you
above all others
above all others
to be the one
to be the one
to share my life.
to share my life with.
I come in Elizabeth because you have pledged your love and commitment to each other and the witnesses that are here today. I declare that you are husband and wife, and may the love that lives in and around all of us fill your hearts and your forever life together. May this your
I'm all the way in the back.
À,
Oh, you boys get me.
alo, cái này ta thấy mà không phải gì.
What do you?
Có không phải gì.
No, you got the buddy. Come on. Hi. Yuki Hamel. Yeah, Yuki Hamel. Look at him.
Dạ, cái gì như vậy? Giờ bây giờ bên này mấy cái này, em thấy nó mà tôi nó thì, à, chỉ cái đó là phi. là tiểu đi thế là đâu là nó sụt lá tuổi nó
ชีวิตแจ้งผีพาวนะแต่มาค่ะ
nhà bán là xuống đi mà tệ bây giờ thế còn mà cho mình thôi lên mẹ nó biết tệ bây giờ nó là cái